Hello, dear listeners. Hope you all are well. So, dear listener, yesterday we have discussed the tape script Kanyakumari, where three C's meet. Today I am going to discuss the exercise of this tape script, which is given on page number 28. B3. While you are listening to the conversation between Mr. Ajay Jain and Mr. Singh, fill in the blanks in the blurb below. First is, it is located at dash India. So the answer is, it is located at the southernmost tip of India. So it is located at the southernmost tip of India. And the second is, nearest airport is dash kilometer away. The nearest airport is 87 kilometer away. The next one, the beaches have dash sand. The beaches has multicolored sand. Dash is an important tourist place. Vivekananda Rock Memorial is an important tourist place. Dash languages spoken. We all know the Tamil, Malayalam and English languages spoken. So dear student, here we complete our exercise B3. Now I am going to discuss the advertisement given on page number 29. There are two advertisements. First is Summer Delights, and first is given by the Snow Crest Manor. It is in Manali. It's a hotel in Manali, a deluxe 30-room hotel located at the highest point in Manali, offering the best view in town with all modern facility. Number two is Springfields. It is in Shimla. A large 11-room Maharaja retreats with private lawns, parking, beautiful view and royal service. So you can see here the two advertisement is given, and now we will discuss what information these advertisements provide. Discuss what information these advertisement provides. So dear student, these advertisement provide information about accommodation available at Manali and Shimla with all modern facilities. Now dear student, I am going to read the advertisement which is given on page number 30, B5. A travel agency has given the travel ads page to the student of your school. Read the ads carefully and show the page to your parents. It's just for reading. The perfect vacation with Beta Travels. तो बेटा ट्रेवल्स है, उन्होंने ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट दी है कि कैसे आप लोग जो है इस जगह पे जा सकते हैं, आपको पैकेज कैसा मिलेगा और वो कैसे जो है आपको अपनी फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं. ठीक है. कश्मीर, India, paradise on earth, is located in the Himalaya Valley. Srinagar, the capital city, It built on the two bank of the river Jhelum. You can stay on the houseboat in the Dal Lake, a nice place to buy very good carpets and shawls. Attraction places is are gardens. So this advertisement is given by the Beta Travels. Kathmandu, Nepal, another beautiful city located in the Himalayas. Enjoy the scenic beauty of snow-covered peaks in Kathmandu. You can visit Buddhist temple or go trekking. Attraction is photography. And third, Dubai, UAE. Beautiful, well-developed city located at the sea coast in the desert land and ideal places for the water sports and the lots of shopping. Attraction is oil wells, तेल के कुएं. Mauritius, land of beautiful beaches, water sports and games of fishing, full of scenic beauty. Attraction is beaches. So take part in your travel competition and win the award too. 7-day 8-night package. Choose any two of the above places. Cost rupees 30,000 per person and Beta Travels, these are the number, Mumbai and Delhi. So dear student, what is the purpose of this advertisement? To let you know that how a travel agency give the travel ads and attract the people. Now I am going to discuss B7. Find more about a place that you wish to visit during winter vacation. Paste the picture of the place and write 3 and 4 sentences to make a travel ad for that place. So dear student, what will you do? You will write only 3 and 4 sentences. Okay, where the place where you want to visit. As we know, due to the pandemic, हम कहीं जा नहीं पा रहे हैं, बट विश करते हैं कि जल्दी ठीक हो जाए तो विंटर पे कहीं आप वेकेशन पे जा सके. तो आपको जिस प्लेस पे जाना है उसके बारे में आप यहाँ पर 3 or 4 लाइन्स लिखेंगे. इफ़ यू हैव अ पिक्चर, पेस्ट इट. अगर नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं. Like I'll give you the example. Like I wish to visit Kashmir during winter vacation. Then you will write the next line like this. Kashmir is well known for scenic beauty. And the second line is Dal Lake is situated here. And third is it has many beautiful gardens. So you can write like this, which कोई भी प्लेस जहाँ पर आप जाना चाहते हो विंटर वेकेशन में घूमने के लिए. So dear student, that's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.